So the name of this method is Triayak Sutra. Under the system, Vedic mathematics assumes that numbers are nothing but it is a special form of algebra. So suppose we have one number ax plus b and another number as cx plus d. When x is 10, a special case when x is 10, digit will be a and the second digit will be b. Similarly, in case of cx plus d, if x is 10, then the first digit of the number is c and the second digit of the number is d. When we do multiplication of these two numbers, that is a number comprising a, b digits and number 2 comprising c, d digits, when we do the multiplication, what will be the result? As per algebra, when we multiply such algebraic form, ax will get multiplied by cx and ax will also get multiplied by d. Similarly, b will get multiplied by cx and b will also get multiplied by d. Now what? We will take common x out. So what will be the answer? The coefficient of x square will be ac and the coefficient of x will be ad plus cb and the unit digit coefficient or an independent coefficient will be bd. So in this case, we have noticed that what we have done when we are multiplying two digits, we have done a vertical multiplication of right hand side digit. We have done a vertical multiplication of left hand side digits, and the middle number of the result is obtained by doing cross multiplication and adding them up. We take an example. Suppose we want to multiply 21 by 11. So the answer part will have 3 digits. One will be the left hand side digit, one will be the right hand side digit, and one will be the middle digit. For calculating left hand side digit, we will do vertical multiplication of left hand side digits. 2 will get multiplied by 1, that is 2. And the right hand side digit of the answer will again be vertical multiplication of right hand side numbers, that is 1 multiplied by 1. So right hand side digit of answer is 1. And the middle number of the result is obtained by doing cross multiplication and adding them up. That is 2 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 1. This cross multiplication will give us 2 plus 1. So the middle digit will be 3 and the answer will be left hand side digit, middle digit and right hand side digit, that is 2, 3, 1. Now I take a bit complicated example, that is 26 multiplied by 87. Again in this case the answer will have 3 portions, that is left hand side portion, right hand side portion and the middle portion. For the left hand side portion, we will do the vertical multiplication of 8 with 2, that is left hand side digits of the question. And for the right hand side digit of the answer, we will do the right hand side multiplication, vertical multiplication, that is between 6 and 7. And the middle digit can be obtained by doing cross multiplication and adding them up, that is 2 multiplied by 7 plus 8 multiplied by 6. So after doing all these vertical multiplications and the cross multiplications and adding them up, we'll end up with the left hand side answer as 16, middle answer as 62 and right hand side answer as 42. Right hand side answer can only have a single digit and middle answer can also have a single digit. So we have to do the carry forwarding work. That is 4 or 42 will get carry forwarded to the middle numbers. That is 62 will add up with 4. It will become 66. And again the 6 from the 66 will get forwarded to the left hand side answer, that is 16. So 16 plus 6. So 16 plus 6 is 22. Middle digit was 66. We carry forwarded 6. So we will write 6. And the right hand side was 42. We will write 2. We have already carry forwarded 4. So our answer is 2262. I again repeat this carry forwarding episode. The right hand side answer was 42. We can only write one digit. So we will write the unit digit 2. We will carry forward 4. So now our middle numbers of the answer is 62 plus 4, that is 66. Again in this case, middle answer can only have single digit. So we will keep unit digit, that is 6 of 66, and carry forward 6. This carry forwarded 6 will get added to the left hand side portion of the answer, that is 16. 16 plus 6 becomes 22. So now our answer is 2262. The multiplication of 3 digits. The concept remains same. The digits are considered as a special form of algebra. For 3-digit number, if x is equal to 10, then ax square plus bx plus c is a 3-digit number. If we do algebraic multiplication of ax square plus bx plus c and dx square plus ex plus f, you will notice that we have to do a vertical multiplication of AD, and we have to do vertical multiplication of CF, and to obtain other digits of the result, we have to do a combination of vertical multiplications and cross multiplications. If we are multiplying ax square plus bx plus c by dx square plus ex plus f, we have to multiply ax square with dx square, ax square with ax square with f. Similarly, bx will get multiplied by dx square, bx will multiply by ex and then f, and c will get multiplied by dx square, ex and f. Then what we will do is we will take common x cube and x square and x, and we will sum up the cross multiplications or vertical multiplications. So this is the basic algebraic theory of 3-digit multiplication which Vedic mathematics is using. Vedic mathematics is assuming 3-digit number as a special case of algebra and solving it. Believe me, if you go in higher orders, it is going to confuse you. So you can notice the direction of multiplication. The first digit is obtained by vertical multiplication of left hand side digits. Second digit is obtained by doing cross multiplications and adding them up between first 2 rows or first 2 digits. The third digit is obtained by doing cross multiplications between first digit and third digit and adding them up. And we also add vertical multiplication between the middle digits. Fourth digit is obtained by doing cross multiplications between second and third digits and adding them up. And the fifth digit of the answer is obtained by vertical multiplication of right hand side digits. So when we are doing 3-digit to 3-digit multiplication, we will get 5 digit as answers, and it will be combination of vertical multiplications and cross multiplications. and the directions of these multiplications are shown onto your screen. You can notice for the first digit only 2 digits are multiplied. For the second digits 4 digits are multiplied. For the third digit 6 digits are multiplied, and for the fourth digit again 4 digits are multiplied, and for the fifth digit again 2 digits are multiplied. Now we will solve one example. We will multiply 108 by 108. So for doing multiplication of 108 by 108, we will keep on taking reference from our previous diagram how multiplication has to be done. So for the first left hand side digit, leftmost digit of our result, we will do vertical multiplication between the leftmost digits of our multipliers. That is 1 will get multiplied by 1, result will be 1. For the second digit of answer, we will do cross multiplication between first and second digits and add them up. 1 will get multiplied by 0, and adding again 1 multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. For the third digit of answer, we will do cross multiplication between first and third digits and a vertical multiplication between the middle digits. So 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, 1 multiplied by 8 is again 8, and for a middle number we will multiply by 0, and we will add all the cross multiplications, and the answer is 8 plus 8 plus 0, that is 16. For the fourth digit, we will do cross multiplication between second and third digits, and we will add them up. That is 0 multiplied by 8, adding with 0 multiplied by 8, answer is 0. For the last digit, that is the fifth digit, we will do vertical multiplication between the rightmost digits, that is 8 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. Now we will write our answer. We will write our answer from right hand side. So right hand side, first digit is 64. We only have a space for one digit, so 6 has to be carried forward. We will write down 4. The next digit is 0. That the fourth digit is 0. 0 plus 6 is now 6. So we will again write down 6. And the third digit from the left or from the right is 16. We only have a space to write down one digit, so we will write down 6. We will carry forward 1, and carry forward 1 will get added to 0. Then again we will write down 1, and the first digit is 1. So our answer is 11664. Now we will take one another example, that is 116 multiplied by 114. In this case, we are not going to show you intermediary steps. We will do it as fast as we can. So the process starts from, of course, from right hand side. We should start from right hand side. So 6 will get multiplied by 4. When we multiply 6 by 4, the answer is 24. We write 4. We write 2 downwards because we have to carry forward it. Then the second digit from the right will be the cross multiplication between second and third digits. So 1 will get multiplied by 4, 6 will get multiplied by 1. The answer will be 6 plus 4, that is 10. We will write 0. We will carry forward 1. So we will write 0 onto the left hand side of 4, our earlier answer. And we will write down 1, the line below, showing that it is a carry forward. Then we will calculate third digit from right. Third digit from the right will be cross multiplication between the first and third digits and a vertical multiplication between the middle digits. So we will do the cross multiplications first. So 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. And vertical multiplication is 1 multiplied by 1. Answer is 6 plus 4 plus 1, that is 11. We will write down 1 in our answer row, which is the first row, and we will write carry forward 1 downwards. Now we will calculate fourth digit, answer digit from right. and it will be cross multiplication between first digit and second digits. Multiplication between the first and second digit will give an answer of 2. We will write down 2. There is no carry forward. And the last digit as vertical multiplication between the first digit, that is 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. We will write down 1. So the answer row is 1, 2, 1, 0, 4, and the carry forward row is 1, 1, 2. Now we will add them up, and after adding we get an answer of 1, 3, 2, 2, 4. We take another example so that this carry forward issue and other issues get clear. I'm going to multiply 3 to 1 with the 52, and 52 can also be written as 052. So this is basically a 3-digit to 3-digit multiplications. We'll start from the right hand side as we do in multiplications. So the first digit of the result from right will be by vertical multiplication between the third digits, that is 2 multiplied by 1, the result is 2. We'll write down 2. Simple. Now the second digit from the right will be cross multiplication between the second and third digit, that is 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, plus 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5, that is 9. We will write down 9, and we come to the third digit from the right, that is the middle digit. It will have a cross multiplication between the first digit and the third digit, and a vertical multiplication of middle digits. Middle digit vertical multiplication is 10. 10 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, that is 16, and 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. So now we have answer 16. 16 we cannot write 16 as it is, because we only have a space to write one digit, not two digits. So we will write 6 and we will carry forward 1. While carry forwarding 1, we write down 1 below the answer row, but below the next upcoming result, so that we can add them up. Now we come to the fourth digit. Fourth digit is again cross multiplication between first and second digit, and it is 15 because 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. So we'll write down 5. We will carry forward 1, and the last digit is vertical multiplication, and vertical multiplication is 3 multiplied by 0, that is 0. We will write down 0. Now we have a carry forward row and we have a result row, and our answer is addition of both. So we will add them up, and when we add them up, the result is 16692. In this lecture, we will learn multiplication between 4 digits. As you have seen in earlier lectures, we did multiplication between 2 digits and multiplication between 3 digits. And the method was involving vertical multiplications and cross multiplication and adding them up at most of the time. Now you have a diagram over your screen. The method is there. It shows how result digit is obtained by doing multiplications. To obtain the first digit of answer, you have to do vertical multiplication of first digits. To obtain second digit of your result, you have to do cross multiplications between first digit and second digit and adding them up. For obtaining third digit, it is similar to what you did in multiplication of 3-digit number, that is first digit will get cross multiplied by the third digit and the middle digit will get vertical multiplied. To obtain fourth digit, you have to do cross multiplication between first and fourth digit and second and third digit, and you have to add them up. To obtain fifth digit of your answer, you have to do cross multiplication between second and fourth digits, and you have to do vertical multiplication of middle digit, that is the third digit. To obtain sixth digit of your result, you have to do cross multiplication between third and fourth digits, and to obtain sixth digit of your result, you have to do vertical multiplication of fourth digit. This method looks a bit complicated, but this method could also be helpful to some people who have a good memory and who can recognize these patterns and who can learn these patterns. You can notice one important thing about these patterns, that the first three pattern is very similar to the multiplication you did in your 3-digit number. The only new pattern which has appeared is for the fourth digit, and after that patterns repeat themselves. So it is not hard to learn these patterns. Once you learn these patterns, the multiplication between 4 digits will be very easy. However, we have more methods for multiplying digits. We will come on to these methods. Every person has a certain grasping and memory. If you don't like this method, you can choose another method. You have a choice. We have different methods. So we continue, we take our example. The example is multiplication of 6471 with 6212. We will again start from right hand side only. We'll do vertical multiplication, that is 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. We'll write down 2, there is no carry forward. And to obtain second digit, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1, 15. We write down 5, we take carry forward 1. And for obtaining third digit, we will do cross multiplication of second and fourth digits and vertical multiplication of middle digits. The third digit will be 4 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 1, and 7 multiplied by 1. And the answer will be 17. We write down 7, we carry forward 1. And now we come to the fourth digit, which was looking very complicated. That is cross multiplication between the first and fourth digits and cross multiplication between second and third. So we will multiply 6 by 2 and 6 by 1. We will do another cross multiplication of 4 multiplied by 1 and 7 multiplied by 2, and we will add them up. So it will be 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 14, 22 plus 14 is 36. We write down 6, we carry forward 3. Now we will calculate next digit. Next digit will be again cross multiplication between first and third row and vertical multiplication of middle digit. 6 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 7, and 4 multiplied by 2. The answer will be 56. We carry forward 5, we write down 6. Now we come to the next digit. Next digit will be cross multiplication between first and second, that is 6 multiplied by 2 plus 6 multiplied by 4. The answer will be 36. We write down 6, we carry forward 3. Now we will do vertical multiplication for the last digit, that is 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. We write down entire number into the result row because the 3 cannot be carried forwarded because it is the last digit. Now we add them up and our answer becomes 40197,852. I suggest you to do some more practices, and after doing some practices you will realize that it is not as tough as it looks like. There is no need to do intermediary steps. And you can also avoid this carry forwarding. If you keep the track of carry forward in your fingers, you can avoid these steps also. Thank you.